Welcome back to another episode of Cooking at Camp? Camp Cooking?
Cooking with Lost Sheep Adventures.
Cooking with Lost Sheep Adventures. Liz is down here making a cocktail. I actually need to grab a searchlight. But we've got an interesting one tonight. It's going to be green lip mussels in a white wine and garlic.
And a little bit of lemon and herbs and a lot of butter. Yeah.
Pretty simple recipe really, and honestly it's delicious. Grab a searchlight, grab the mussels out of the bushman, and Liz is going to finish up making a cocktail.
That's not really a cocktail, it's just rum.
It's just rum. It's a cocktail. Cheers.
It's rum with lemon juice.
And we'll kick into this. There it is. One bag of mussels. Ooh. And one Ladies of Dog Town. And one much needed drawer system. Let's do this. So first of all we're going to start with the sauce. Basically going to fry up the garlic, lemon, red onion really, just to get a sort of broth going. Then we'll add in some white wine and then steam the mussels in the white wine. Really simple recipe, piss easy and perfect if you can get fresh mussels, which we pretty picked them up, I would say out of the ocean, but no, they were actually in a chiller. Well, not chiller, you know, a mussel thing at the thing. I'm good at this.
So I'm gonna start chopping some stuff, which is lemon, garlic and onion, while Jono is gonna wash and scrub the mussels. Zest again?
Yeah, grab the zest. So I'm just gonna scrape off as much as I can.
How do mussels grow? Like how do they...
You mean like how do they farm them?
Yeah.
Oh Jesus. So basically, you know what a buoy is? It's just a little thing that sits out in the water. They'll have this line of buoys, 12, 13 long, 6 wide kind of thing, rows of them. And each one will have a rope that's suspended down to the water column. So say it's like 15 meters deep. The line will be suspended down, they'll graft mussels onto it, and then the mussels will grow on that rope. So when it comes to harvest time, bars will pull alongside, and then they haul this rope on, and as the rope comes on, they strip all the mussels off and bring them into town by the bag load, huge bag loads, tons and tons of them. Done! Last mussel done. Alright.
Can you do a little B-roll?
You're shredding the lemons.
Yeah.
We basically need to wash my hands, wash the mussels, and throw everything together. So we will start off by getting our gas going. There we go. Crank it lightly. Throw our cast iron on. Our goal is just to get basically a ton of butter on. So we're going to throw like 4 tablespoons of butter in there just to sort of get a really buttery mixture. True, we've got garlic butter as well, so we might as well throw some of that in there.
More than one. Definitely. All melted and burning. Well,
yeah,
you
so
don't want to burn the butter.
No. And cast is going to take a wee while to heat up and
Alright,
throw it in.
So garlic in, onion in, more onion in, a lot of onion in. And 1 full lemon zest. I mean the zest of 1 full lemon. Excuse my English.
Easy stuff.
While you're having an eye on this, I'm gonna chop some herbs so you can add and fry them all together, and I would say more butter.
Yeah, definitely more butter. So we're just going to basically saute all this in a huge amount of butter. More butter in there, why not? Butter never harmed anyone. Probably actually has, but
I'm pretty sure a lot of people died
from too much butter. So just get that to a nice easy sort of broil, I guess. I should Google what that word means, but you basically want to melt the butter, saute the lemon, the garlic,
and herbs, which I'm being late
herbs.
with.
What do you got, basil?
I've got basil now, but I'm gonna give you some more
Thyme?
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, we might as well chuck the thyme in there because we've got too much time.
You love this time joke, right? Maybe you should have
more time.
like a little competition for your viewers. They need to count how many times you made a time joke.
I don't make a time joke all the time.
In every video you have a time joke!
No, only the Central Tiger ones, because they actually have time growing on the hillsides. And I'm always out of time, because I'm always behind time.
Oh, we have a little bit of parsley left, that's amazing.
Oh, there we go, we got parsley too. Score!
Amazing.
Okay, so these things, this is starting to get a little bit hot, so we'll turn this down a little bit. Once your cast iron's kind of up to temperature, you just kind of need to turn it down, let it idle for a little bit.
Adding a little bit of coriander and parsley. And I think I'm gonna give it some time. I'm not gonna.
We're not fancy while we camp at all, are we? Just we've had salmon.
We don't eat like this. It's
mussels.
called
No.
freaking noodles. Literally every day, noodles. Didn't we actually cook this one in the? Yeah, we cooked this one
Oh, on the Anticapo vlog.
on the vlog. Yes.
We didn't go through how to do it. We just did
Nah,
it.
yeah, we just
But yeah, for those that are actually part of my Patreon, you'll recognise this from the Anticapo vlog, where Lisa was driving, where we just cooked it there as well, actually, because we love it. If you do love what I do, guys, support me on Patreon. A couple dollars a month goes a heck of a long way into enabling me to actually get out here, produce videos, and take time off of work to come film these things. Okay, so we're using a Cloudy Bay Sauvignon today.
Which is amazing.
It's honestly delicious. Oh, smell that. Oh, doesn't it smell amazing? Yum. Alright, ready? In we go. So you should really only use about a cup, hence why we tried to leave a cup behind. We'll let that get up to temperature.
Oh my god, you smell.
Oh, there we go, okay. Starting to simmer there, we'll turn it down a little bit. That's our time for our mussels. So we're basically just going to try and squeeze in everything we can, which is probably, hopefully, a lot. We have your salad bowl that we can use as a lid. And this should work.
Wait, pepper?
Oh, look at that. That's amazing.
The little Death Star.
It does look like a I don't know, should I try pop it? So there we go, try and mix everything as best we can. You know, it's not exactly, oh, they've done a good job. Alright, we're going to squeeze a handful of lemon juice in there. So a handful of lemon juice, one. She wasn't impressed by that. Damn, look at her.
Strong Russians.
Yeah. Like a strong beer.
That's me.
Strong like ox.
Right there.
Thumbs up if you like our camp kitchen, guys. I am loving it. Kmart, apparently, Australia, apparently, doesn't exist anymore, apparently, so tough luck. Okay, so that is actually, basically let it steam for 5-10 minutes, so it's already smelling aromatic as all hell. Oh, that's heaps. Jesus, woman. And we'll let that sit for a bit while we chill for 5 and let the mussels do their thing.
I'm gonna break the Death Star and add some Parmesan in, so then we can shake it one more time. You okay with that?
Yeah. So what you're looking for is your mussels to be open, of course. When they're open, they're cooked, they're good, they're ready to go. So we've basically steamed them inside the pot here. She's adding some Parmesan to try and thicken up the cream, the mixture a little bit, and because Parmesan tastes amazing. Shake it once more. Honestly, that smells fucking amazing. On to my second searchlight, and basically, should we check these mussels?
Yes.
Oh, damn. Look at that, eh? That looks amazing.
Yes.
They look...
Yes.
They look amazing. So, it's a super simple dinner. It took like 4 ingredients in total. Wine, mussels, butter, garlic, and you're pretty much sorted. We added in a whole bunch of herbs and an onion just to sort of sweeten the mixture up. But this is amazing. Look at that beastie. Oh, look at the juice. Catch the next one, guys. Mmm. So good.